Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a paper dollhouse. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need sturdy cardstock, sharp scissors, and reliable craft glue. Make sure you have your chosen paper dollhouse templates printed and ready. Having everything organized from the start makes the entire process much smoother and more enjoyable. This preparation step is key to a successful build. Now, let's move on to cutting and folding. Carefully cut along all the solid lines on your templates. Precision here is important for a neat finish. Next, fold along every dotted line. These create the tabs and structural elements. Pre-creasing these folds will help your dollhouse stand strong and look professional. Take your time with each cut and fold for the best results. With your pieces cut and folded, it's time for assembly. Apply a thin, even layer of craft glue to the designated tabs. Avoid using too much glue, as this can make the paper warp. Press the glued tabs firmly together, holding them for a few seconds to ensure a good bond. Allow sufficient drying time for each section before moving on, creating a strong and stable structure. Finally, the fun part, decorating your new paper dollhouse. This is where you can truly make it your own. Add miniature furniture and accessories to personalize each room. Use markers, colored pencils, or even small fabric scraps to add extra details and textures. Let your creativity shine as you bring your dollhouse to life. Enjoy playing with your unique creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.